Hi guys, it's been a minute. Today is July 6th. We are already like, summer is going. And I realized like, what have I been up to? I've been working a lot. I've been spending time with family, got my wisdom teeth out, doing little fun summer things here and there. But you know what I haven't been doing? Is vlogging. So I decided this week, I'm gonna vlog and do some fun summer things. So without further ado, welcome to Summer Diaries 2026. Episode 1!
Now we have the whole gang here. Megan, Olivia, me, Lily, and it's time to play some pickleball. Pickleball is completed.
It was lit.
I'm sweaty.
There was fireworks.
And there was fireworks. There was
a man.
fun.
Random man.
There was a scary, scary, scary man.
No, it wasn't scary. He just wanted your number. Excited.
Well, so now that you know that me and Larry...
So we're back home now, and it's poker night.
Bags. And I looked at your pile and said, how much can I get?
Hey guys! We are at the Ichitagni today. We are going to the springs. We are here in our tubes, and it's quite wonderful. I love it out here. It's sprinkling. I think it might rain on us, but I'm excited. This is the chill run through, and then we're gonna jump in and we're gonna swim. Did Lily go swimming? Oh, yeah. So we're having so much fun here. This is so free summer of us. This is so cute. Spring into summer, and the winter's gone.
You know what you're fighting for.
Alright, here it is. So Lily, what did you get?
I got a caramel latte.
Brown sugar matcha. And yeah, do you want a taste test? I'm very happy.
Maybe she would figure out something kind of exciting.
We're here for a pizza party, and it's gonna be fun. We're gonna swim, bathing suits on, and happy summer.
Crack your egg right on here. Over this.
Perfect. Yeah.
Oh, God.
At the Super Bowl party, it didn't come out till 11, but they did it again.
She said, okay.
I just drove all through UF campus, which is low-key really creepy at 11:15 in the night on a summer Wednesday night. It's very dead, but driving around really is making me think like I cannot wait for school to start. Like I'm actually so excited. Like, of course I'm enjoying summer where I'm at right now, but I cannot wait for school to start. I'm excited for my classes. I'm excited to get back into my routine. I'm so excited for fall, for classes, for UF. I love UF. But anyways, I just wanted to share. I'm heading home now and it's time to sleep because I have an appointment really early in the morning. So anyways, good night. Today has been fun so far. We're going to the pool. We're going to tan and it's super hot. Like honestly, I'm like, whoa. It's 100 degrees or something. So today has been such a good day. It's Friday and I woke up, slept in, and I had a good workout at the gym. And then after that I got ready and I hung out with Molly. We had lunch and we wanted to encourage Victoria because she just had a baby. So we bought a bunch of goodies and some flowers from Trader Joe's and we just went and dropped them off at her house. And so now I'm just gonna relax and enjoy my day until work. I've worked tonight, I'm closing. So I have a couple hours just to, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I've had such a wonderful day today. I have work in about an hour. So I'm gonna cook some food that I can take with me to eat tonight. So I'm thinking I'm gonna cook some ground beef. I have a sweet potato already going in the oven. And I don't know, maybe some corn. I've got some avocado in the fridge. We'll see. But I'm gonna cook so I can have a good dinner tonight. So let's go. Also, look how cute the apartment looks. It's just so cute. I love my apartment. I'm gonna miss it. Woo! It's time for work. And today's my last shift of the week. I worked so much this week. I think I worked like 25 hours. After today, it will be 25 hours. So, I'm done. Just kidding. I'm working tomorrow too. But it's time for me to go. I love my job, honestly, so can't complain. Hey guys. So work's been good so far. It's been really fun. I made a bunch of ice cream sandwiches and now I'm gonna bag them. I'm on my break right now and this food is actually so good, guys. I'm so happy. I've got my beef, my sweet potato, and my avocado on the side. And yeah, it's really hot. I'm so happy. We're back at work today, and today Lindy's doing a mystery flavor test. She's mixing a bunch of flavors, and I'm gonna guess what it is. Okay, I'm gonna have to close my eyes.
Wait, I'm gonna tell them. Close your ears. I'm gonna tell them.
Okay.
It's sea salt caramel, pina colada, and cake batter.
Did you hear that?
I couldn't even hear you.
Okay.
You're good.
Okay. There you go. Oh yeah, you can't look. Okay, I'm just gonna feed it to you.
Wait, I'll fix it.
Brooke, did you get in to say hi?
Ready?
Okay. I taste sea salt. I taste pina colada. Cake batter. Pina colada. Yes!
You got them all.
Okay, this is a combination of strawberry lemon, cotton candy, and sour cream.
Okay, you ready? Yeah. Get in the camera.
Okay, now?
Come forward. Come forward.
Not really.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Enough.
Strawberry lemon. Oh my gosh. That's so hard. Oh my gosh. It's super fruity.
Go with your gut.
Lemon, strawberry lemon, and black raspberry. What is it?
Okay, so final answer is lemon, strawberry lemon, and black raspberry. Okay, strawberry lemon.
Oh no.
Cotton candy and green apple. It's Brooke's turn, and we have the secret mixture. What's the secret mixture?
It is already? Where did they come from?
The people keep coming, and okay, put here. Can you put it
In there.
Okay, the secret mixture is a mixture of
Mango, lemon, cookie butter.
Hey guys, we at Taco Bell. That shift was a horrendous shit. Honestly, 2 years working at here, and I've never experienced a close worse than that. And things went wrong, but I had my baddie team here, Lindy, Elena, and Brooke. They held down the fort while I tried to fix the mess, and everything worked out in the end. So we're treating ourselves to Taco Bell because we are young and we're happy.
And free.
And free because it's free summer. So I think this might conclude the vlog. Thanks for coming along with me this week. What better way to end the week than with Taco Bell? So love you guys. Bye. Bye.